Hi, this video is about how to make 2x4 ceiling board with lights panels that usually installed in the office. Let's get started. Go into Customize Ceiling Design. Go to Pave. Make sure you're in the mosaic background in order to pave. Then in the buckle panel menu, go into Mediterranean series driver. There is a 300 by 600 ceiling board. Drag this out and put on the white region. You may change the board thickness here on the right. The paving operation is more or less the same as tiling. Let's say if you want to start paving from the center, right click on the board and choose Central Alignment, then Full Pave. Done. Now I'm going to delete some ceiling boards to put in the light panels later. Just click and press delete on the keyboard. Then go back to 3D. Adjust the view to facing the ceiling board. Then go into Cloud, Public Room Decoration, Office Lighting. We can use this modern office lighting. Drag it out and resize. Rotate and reposition accordingly. Okay. I'm going to copy another two to the left and right. Click on the light, then Ctrl Shift to copy and move at the same time. Ctrl Shift. Okay, so if the lights positions are aligned, you can control and select all the lights, then Ctrl G to group. Name the group and confirm. Then again, Ctrl Shift to copy and move. Alright, so if you would like to change the color of the frame, now the frame is black color, you can just drag any color from the finishing. Just like that, drag and drop. Alright, happy trying, bye.